Friends, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to book a ride on Bolt. So once you're in the Bolt app, guys, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click where it says where to. Go ahead and enter your address where you want to go. In this case, I'm going to just choose one of those recent address, and from here you will see that it start to find the available options here for you. You will see the price. You can choose between multiple options. Once you're ready to, let's say, select the option, you can just go ahead and switch between whichever one you want. And once you decide, you go ahead and choose how you want to pay. So below you will see that there's an option to choose GPay, or you can pay with cash, or you can choose your card. And if you have a new card, you can also add the card there as well. And once you're ready, all you have to do is just click and select, and this is going to allow you to book the ride. So as you can see, it shows you how much, shows where you are. All you have to do is just simply confirm. Then it's going to select the option for you to make the payment, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.